Hey everyone, we are still at the Hoysaleshwara and Shantaleshwara temple at this heritage site of Halebeedu. In our previous video, we looked at the sculptural beauty of one half of the temple. In this video, we explored the other half. So sit back and enjoy the detail.
This temple has four entrances. This is south entrance. This is royal entrance for the royal family. Because there is a palace of just half-kilometer palace, but palace is completely destroyed. There is no ceiling. Before they coming to the temple, they just worship Ganesha first. There is the emblem of the Vaishala dynasty, a man killing a lion. Vaishala. Look at the beautiful entrance in 12 feet length and 3 feet high. In the center, Shiva dancing Nataraj. Right to Shiva Brahma the creator, left to Vishnu the protector. Again repeat, either side you can see same Makara animal, mythical animal. Enter thing made of single piece of stone. One stone called Makara Torana. Makara means animal, Torana means entrance. Again repeat, doorkeepers, Nandi Keshwara, Bhumi Keshwara. Beautiful harmony. Because of more weight of Ganesha, the rat is struggling. The mouth is open like reaching, a leg is bent, then earth is depressed.
Yeah, there is a small bend in the panel also.
Earth is depressed and the rat is trying to grip its nails. The sculpture imagination is that the rat is poor animal, Ganesha is big. Ganesha's brother Subramanya or Kartikeya and his Kalpika is a 6 faces. You can see 3 faces are on the 3 on the back side. The 6 faces represent 5 senses and our mind if you count. Shiva Parvati called Uma Maheshwara. When Parvati is calm, she is called Uma, then the vehicle will be Mungus. When she is angry, she is called Kali or Durga, then the vehicle will be lion. Parvati has 2 vehicles, Mungus and lion. Starting with the treatise in the beginning, Brahma the creator, then Shiva the destroyer, Vishnu the protector. Usually Vishnu in the center, but our Shiva in the center, because this is Shiva temple. So the given more important to Shiva, one of the right hand is holding rosary Rudrakshi Mala, which represents spiritual knowledge. One of the left hand is holding a maize corn, which represents prosperity. Because Shiva is god of agriculture called Ishana. Shiva another name, this is Kala Bhairava. Shiva one of the left hand holding a demon, blood is gushing out. You can see dog is jumping and licking the blood dog. Small blood drops. Left, small blood. Left hand you can see Kapala Danda, but a snake is eyes come out, a snake. One candle matandu candle.
In one eye the snake has gone out, the other eye snake has come out.
Beautiful ornaments. Krishna float is broken. You can see drummer. You can see drums, beautiful strings, stone strings. Carving.
Agga, okay.
Beautiful Sukshma.
Okay.
Lady dancing.
Okay.
This is Mahabharata. Draupadi Swayamvar. Arjuna shooting the fisher's eyes. Arjuna and looking at the reflection in the oil pan. You can identify Arjuna with monkey flag. Anumadasa. Matsyantra or Matsyadev. This is Veena Saraswati. Like a beautiful statues, mirror and lady, Darpan Sundari. In the put on the Sindur. But this finger is famous finger. Sanskrit called Anamika. These two are the most beautiful statues of the temple. Krishna lifting Govardhan mountain, called Govardhan Giridhari. Because there was a rain in the area, the people of the mountain prayed Krishna to protect them from the rain. So Krishna appeared and lifted the mountain. And you can see the people found shelter under the mountain. In the mountain you can see full of leaves. On the top you can see banana tree, bunch of bananas.
Yes.
A monkey climbing the treated bananas, monkey.
Yeah. Just like yes.
Cat has got the rat. This one. Cat has got the rat.
Cat.
Man climbing the mountain. Climbing the mountain. Lion looking outside the cave. A tiger going through the cave.
Okay. Lion's backside, no?
Lion and tiger. And enter is entering a pig.
So show the tiger again.
There's a tiger and lion.
Okay.
Lion and tiger. One animal inside.
Tail is correct.
And enter is entering a pig. Peacock. Lizard.
Small, very small.
Very small lizard.
Tail is on the this one.
Snake.
Very compact.
There are 3 people only 4 legs. It's actually instead of 6 legs, you can say 3 people. 3 people. Right person having 2 legs. Left person having 2 legs.
That leg is combined.
Middle person 2 legs too. The sculpture only 3 people, only 4 legs. Again, Veena Saraswati, Veena is broken. Krishna fruit is broken. Fruit is broken. Veena is broken. This is Shiva dancing inside the body of the elephant.
Legs.
Come this way. This is Shiva dancing inside the body of the elephant. The demon by name Gajasura, who comes in for an elephant to kill Shiva. So Shiva killing him by dancing inside the body of the elephant. You can see 2 legs, tail on the top. 2 legs, head in the bottom. While dancing is wanting to leg stretching when it is limitation due to wetness. The left thumb nail of Shiva pierced the skin on the outside. Left thumb. Beautiful nail. This is what we call Gajachar Maambara Dari Shiva. This is a third incarnation of Vishnu called Varaavatar. Vishnu comes as wild boar and protecting the goddess of her Bhudevi and killing the demon Hiranaksha. By crushing his head, you can say eyeballs are bulging. Another demon comes to help Hiranaksha, another demon. So Vishnu pierced him with his mace, pierced.
Oh, spear is coming out
And
of
tip of the mace come out with intestines. Called Varaavatar. Again repeat, Shiva, Vishnu make a legal Garuda, musician.
click ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Fourth incarnation comes. Fourth incarnation of Vishnu, Narasimha. He comes as of man of lion and killing the demon Hiranyakashipu. While killing him, another demon comes to help him, another demon. So Narasimha became very angry and held the skin of the demon.
Okay, face.
So
Okay,
eyes, skin.
Like this, he has peeled like a mask. You can see both eyeballs are sticking to the skin. Called Ugra Narasimha. This is Mahishasura Mardini or Durga. I can say Chamundil Mysore. The demon by name Mahishasura who comes in form of a buffalo. So Parvati crushing the body of the demon. Tongue has come out, eyeballs are bulging out, leg is bent. You can see beautiful wrinkles on the neck wrinkle. Shiva Parvati checking. Shiva and Parvati. Those are Rudrakshi Mala, which represents spiritual knowledge. One of the left hand she is holding the book, material knowledge. So spiritual knowledge is more important than
Book means at that time was that
ತಾಲಗರಿ.
Talagari. Again repeat Narasimha. Narasimha means God of Vaichala family Narasimha. Here is the story of Prahlad, Bhakta Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu son. Hiranyakashipu killed his son Prahlada with the soldiers, snakes, elephants, but never died. He was put on the fire. Then Volika came and rescued him, Volika Devi. Then he was wrapped up on the hill, but never died. Ultimately, his father asked him, Ishwaizari in the palace pillar. He kicked the palace pillar. Then Vishnu appeared in the palace pillar and killing Hiranyakashipu.
correct.
This is Lakshmi dancing on 3 folds of lotuses. Lakshmi dancing. Actually, Lakshmi never dances. Lakshmi in sitting postures or giving bone. You can identify Lakshmi with the left hand, Amruta Kalas, nectar palm. This is the outlet from the holy water coming out. They do puja inside by the pouring water and the milk and the lingam which falls out. That is 18 feet length, made of single piece of stone. One stone.
18 feet, 1 foot. This
is Mahabharata. Here the war between Karna and Arjuna. You can identify Karna with the crow flag, Arjuna with monkey flag. When Arjuna shoots the arrows, they get multiplied 1 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 8. This is Ganesha dancing. The bell signs look like beautiful iron chain, stone chain. This is Nagadevata, of snake of god Nagadevata, again Chamundeshwari. This is Kali aspect of Parvati. Eyes look like burning, fangs come out, using a runda mala which represent creation and destruction. Both sides you can see skeletons and the ribs of them. Fifth incarnation of Vishnu.
Skeletons, no? The rib cages.
Fifth incarnation of Vishnu or Vamana avatar. Vishnu comes as a dwarf, short man, and asking for the 3 feet land gift him the great demon Bali Chakravarti. Waterways, Vishnu make a legal Garuda. The third foot is not shown placed. The third foot on the demon it and pushed him underneath.
Correct.
Patala Loka. Channakeshwara, one of the 1,000 names of Vishnu. One of the right hand is holding a flower, beautiful inner son of the night. Left hand holding a mace, other son of the night. Channakeshwara. Look at this man. He looks like an Egyptian European barrister. But an Indian monk. It looks like a British judge. Also, British came to India after 16th century. I evaluated the British judges use the wig and long open coat. It means British judges might have happened from India. This temple is 12th century, British came to India 16th century. Sri Krishna Parijata Aparana story. Krishna has stolen the flood Parijata with flowers from Indra's garden of Satyabhama. Indra and wife Sachidevi chasing Krishna and his vehicle elephant Airavata. Look at the beautiful running movement of the elephant, ears are fluttering, tail is gone, leg is bent. Look at the second rider, she has bounced of Sachidevi.
No, sorry.
Sachidevi bounced of Sachidevi. Bounced up.
Running elephant.
Running, so she bounced up.
Bounced up. She is asking her husband to go slowly. Look at the anxiety on the face. She fears that she might fall off the elephant. Sri Krishna, Parijata Aparana story. This is Gajendra Moksha, Gandhara Moksha. Gajendra Moksha. Elephant drinking the water. Crocodile leg the cat.
Crocodile was pulling Gajendra's leg. So Vishnu came and saved the elephant. Yeah. That's the Gajendra Moksha.
You can see wrinkle on the foot wrinkle. Look at the facial expression, eyebrows are gone up eyebrows. She is very proud of her beauty and you can see arrogance even in the eyes. She is not only beautiful, very good dancer. Again, repeat Channakeshwara, Venu temple 9 feet high, this temple 3 feet. This is Haryana or Shankar Narayan, Shiva Vishnu. You can identify Shiva with the trident, drum, rosary, Shiva vehicle mantra. Vishnu with the Shankar, disc and mace. Names are different, but God is only one. Of Shiva, of Vishnu. Haryana or Shankara Narayan. This is Ramayana. Come this way. Rama killing Vali beyond 7 palm trees.
Seven?
Palm trees.
Palm.
Because Vali had a boon from Surya that nobody could kill him directly. If anybody would appear directly had the ability to acquire of the power of the river, that is where Rama is hiding and beyond 7 palm trees and killing him. Bow down his snake, arrow is snake poison. Rama giving the rings in Hanuma, Sita Aparana story. Rama giving the rings in Hanuma. Again repeat, Kala Bhairav. Rama giving the rings. Hanuma. Sita Aparana story. Again repeat, Kala Bhairav, Shiva, Narsimha, same repeat. The lady is trying to break a branch of tree to beat monkey. When doing so, you can see gap between the slipper and heel.
Yes.
She is raising her foot reach up.
That much detail.
This is Kala Bhairav. Shiva, one of the left hand holding a demon, blood is gushing out. That side the dog is jumping and licking the blood. You can see lady ghost jumping and licking the blood. Lady ghost.
Yes. Ghost. Two are there.
You can also see the baby ghost.
Yeah.
In her hand.
It is sucking the milk of its mother breast. Baby ghost. Milk on the mother. The sculpture imagination, it means a ghosted generation. Made by Dronacharya, one of the difficult army formations. It is very difficult to go inside and come out. But only 3 men have to go inside and come out. Dronacharya teacher himself, Sri Krishna and Arjuna. But Arjuna and Abhimanyu did not now come out. He only knew how to go inside. He was killed by the Kauravas. Very, very strong man among the Pandavas. He was equal to 1,000 elephant strength, like a Superman.
All these are elephants and...
In the battlefield, elephant are marching. Bhima with his mace, killing each elephant and throwing back, killing and tossing. The sculpture imagination, the eve of the dead elephant touching the clouds infinity.
Oh, that height they
Up
put.
to the sky
That
level.
is one elephant.
Next one.
The sky level.
It is in queue actually.
Red raiders, mothers of the elephant. Look at the binocular. That by Galileo in 17th century, but our people is the 12th century binocular. Look at the straw. Drinking a Coca-Cola coconut straw. Binocular. Missiles, rockets, missiles. 900 back temple, 10th century temple. These two are the most beautiful statues of the temple, Vishnu and Lakshmi. The king of Sri Lanka, he was the great daughter of Shiva. He has a 10 heads, 20 hands lifting the Kailas mountain. 10 heads.
10 heads lifting the
20
Kailas.
hands lifting the Kailas mountain. In the mountain you can see trinities. On the top you can see Shiva Parvati. That side Brahma Saraswati, this side Vishnu Lakshmi. Shiva pushed the mountain down. Ravana equals as faces very green. Shiva is green. Motor of finger is of the one stone. Shiva Parvati is sitting on Nandi, but Nandi is very, very angry. Eyes look like burning, tail is gone up, leg is gone. Do you know why it is angry? Nandi is only for Shiva, not for Parvati. Because of double riding. This figure here, then her face called Nagamuni, looks like a snake. Called Ajanta hairstyle. Ajanta hairstyle.
From there.
Again repeat Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu, Saraswati, Nagaraja, Shiva, Lakshmi. In 12th century, the soldiers wearing a helmet. Helmets. It looks like a bike helmets. American astronauts. Look at this man. He looks like a Sikh wearing turban and lying there Sikh. Always Ganesha having the trunk on the left side. Very, very common. But look at that Ganesha is having the trunk to the right side called Balamuri Ganesha. It is very unusual and auspicious. Daytime worship. This Ganesha is the sixth holy thread. This Ganesha is married.
He is married.
Two wives. Siddhi,
Riddhi.
Riddhi. Two sons, Shubha and Labh. Including big and small, this temple has over 20,000 statues. It is ocean of art. It cannot be explained in half an hour, 1 hour.
Like our guide said, this temple is an ocean of art. Hope you liked the video. We are going to Beluru next. Join us in our tour of the Channakeshwar temple. See you there.